In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Outlook error code 0x800 on your computer. If you're having trouble signing in or sending and receiving emails in Microsoft Outlook, these methods should help you fix the issue. Let's get started. First, open the Outlook app on your computer. Click on File at the top, then go to Account Settings. From here, select Accounts, and you'll see your email accounts listed. Now, click on your account and select Manage. Scroll down and click Remove. Then confirm by selecting Remove from this device. After that, go ahead and sign back into your email account. Now, check if the issue is fixed. If it's still not working, try the next method. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. From the left-hand side, click on Apps, then select Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Outlook. Click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section. First, click on Repair and wait for it to complete. Then click on Reset and confirm. Once that's done, you can also try uninstalling Outlook completely. Click Uninstall, then confirm again. Now, open the Microsoft Store. Search for Outlook and reinstall it. After reinstalling, sign back into your account and check if the error is resolved. And that's it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.